Hello student, today we do some examples of exercise 4.3 which are important examples. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose square is 290. Let two consecutive odd positive integers x plus 2. If x odd, then x plus 2 is also odd. According to question, sum of whose square is 290. Solving identity, we will use a plus b whole square. X square makes 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 make right hand side 0. Plus minus minus sign which is greater. Take 2 common. We have x square plus 2x minus 143 equals to 0. Now we will find its root by using quadratic formula. Compare a1 b coefficient of x, that is 2, c is the constant term. Apply discriminant. Two to the 4. $576 is greater than 0. Apply quadratic formula which we already discussed in the previous videos, that is x equals to minus b plus minus discriminant root by 2a. Now putting b is 2, discriminant 576, a is 1. 576 is a root of 24. Take one time plus 24, another time minus 24, 11 minus 13, minus 13 reject. So answer two consecutive odd positive integers x 11, 11 plus 2, 13. Next is example number 12. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Let we design a park. Rectangle. Breadth is 3 meter less than its length. If length x, then breadth x minus 3. Its area, length multiply breadth, is to be 4 square meter more than the area of park that has already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle with its base as breadth. Isosceles triangle, base x minus 3 and its altitude is 12. we have to find the length and breadth. Let length x meter. Student, always you have to make the figure with help of reading statement always, then match it by the book. It will help you to solve the question always. Then breadth x minus 3, base of triangle x minus 3, altitude 12. According to question, area of rectangular field is 4 meter more than area of triangle, half into base into height, which already made on the rectangle base as a breadth. Solving x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, 6 into x minus 3 plus 4. Make right hand side 0, minus 14, change its side also, becomes plus 14 equal to 0. Now we can find its factor by using splitting the middle term, or we can apply also here quadratic formula. I am using here splitting the middle term. 7 2s are 14, minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. Common. We have both value positive 7 and 2, but we reject 2 because 2 minus 3 minus 1 and length never be negative. So length of rectangular field 7 meter and breadth 7 minus 3 4 meter. Example number 15. Example 13 and 14, simple examples. You will try yourself from the book. Example 15, most important. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of stream. Speed of boat (18 km/h). Speed of stream, let me take x km/h. Downstream speed 18 plus x. Upstream speed 18 minus x. Distance 24 km. Time taken by boat n upstream. Distance by speed. Time taken by boat downstream. distance by speed. According to question, we know that time taken by motorboat more time in upstream. That's why 24 by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x equals to 1. Take LCM, will same, cancel, we have 18 plus x, cancel, now multiply 24 into 18, 24x minus 24 into 18 plus 24x, a minus b, a plus b, which makes a square minus b square, cancel, 48x, 324 minus x square, cross multiply, make right hand side 0, now apply here quadratic formula, a b c discriminant 48 square 4 into 1 minus 324, 48 square is 2304, minus minus plus, after adding we have 3600 which is greater than 0. Quadratic formula B, 48 of minus discriminant 3600 by 2a one time plus 60, one time minus 60, reject, that's why x is 6. Speed of stream is 6 km/h, that is the answer. Thank you.